wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best blood pressure cuff and stethoscope kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Veridian O2 has an adjustable gauge that the operator can set to 0 before each use to ensure an accurate reading. Its faceplate glows in low-light conditions, so you don't have to worry about not being able to see the results. It includes a helpful artery indicator and a total of 3 bells. However, the cuff can be difficult to wrap. At number 9, the Dixie EMS Sprague is a budget-friendly option that's a good choice for students, but wouldn't be well suited to hospital or doctor office use. The bell has an on-off feature and is double-sided for application on adults or infants. It's a decent build quality for the price, but the earpieces aren't very loud, and the tubes can create an echo. Coming in at number 8 on our list. While many users appreciate the attached design of the bulb and gauge on the Paramed Pro, some may find the lack of a maneuverable tube inconvenient. It features a gauze filter that prevents dust from interfering with its operation. It comes with very sensitive membranes and a large face on the manometer. However, the chest piece only has a single head. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blood pressure cuff and stethoscope kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Paramed Comfort includes an extended cuff that should fit any adult patient, even those with large arms. To help minimize the possibility of anyone experiencing an allergic reaction, it has a completely latex-free PVC and polyester construction. It includes a high-contrast gauge and a thumb-operated release valve, but the stethoscope isn't suitable for clinic use. Moving up our list to number 6. With nearly 30 colors and patterns to choose from, the Prestige Medical Aid 2 is anything but boring. More importantly though, it performs reliably day in and day out for years and meets the calibration requirements defined by the American National Standards Institute. The included ear tips are nice and soft, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. However, the tubing can wiggle loose. Halfway up our list at number 5. The lotfancy 5-in-1 is a versatile option that comes with child, infant, thigh, and 2 adult-sized cuffs, all of which store in the included case next to the rest of the kit's components. You'll also get a handy pen light with it. It features a rotatable chest piece head and a one-handed air release. It produces a nice seal in the ears. At number 4, the Briggs Healthcare Matchmates combination comes with the well-respected 3M Littmann Classic 2 SE, which is made in the United States and is the same model that many healthcare professionals use in hospital settings, so you know it's a quality product. It features a premium stainless steel chest piece, a tunable diaphragm, and very flexible tubing. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Available in fun colors like teal and purple, as well as the traditional black, the American Diagnostic Pro Combo 2 SR lets you show a little of your personality in your medical instruments. A reliable chrome-plated valve allows for fast deflation. It produces highly accurate readings and is assembled in the United States. All of the components match. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blood pressure cuff and stethoscope kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the santamedical deluxe includes an adult-sized cuff with a sturdy D-ring closure that makes it easy to fasten in place quickly. It can be used comfortably in either the left or right hand, and due to the budget-friendly price, it's a good choice for students. This is a latex-free construction that comes with an extra pair of ear tips and produces crystal-clear acoustics. And taking the top spot on our list, the chrome-plated aneroid of the American Diagnostic Pro Combo 3 features a luminescent dial that's easy to read in all lighting conditions. All of the included components are very durable, making this a good option for busy nurses. It comes with a guide to help prevent missed cuffs and a storage case. It can focus on high or low frequencies. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blood pressure cuff and stethoscope kits, or simply click beneath this video.